Hi, welcome. We are going to just dive right into it. We're doing unboxing of the different parcels that I received within the last day or two, I guess. First up, we have Socha Tea. I won this in a giveaway on Instagram, so very excited. I've always wanted to try this tea. I can't get into it. There we go, scissors. So we have a few different packages to open. Oh, okay, there we go. This is what we see for the first one. Oh. Okay, so this here is what I won. It's the Barley Sprout. So it's not actually a tea from like, you know, a Camellia sinensis plant. It is from barley, but I guess it's like processed the same way that they would process tea. And they also, Socha Tea also sells other teas as well, and teaware. And Sue, maybe it's Soocha. Sue is the lady's name. She is super nifty. So nice. All right. Dear Jam, we are so happy to offer you an opportunity to try our Barley Sprout. Congrats again. Just like other teas of ours, Barley Sprout is also great when cold brewed. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of Barley Sprout and one cup, 8 ounces, of cold water into your favorite mug or glass jar and refrigerate for 6 to 8 hours. You can also eat the leaves. It's a great addition to dishes such as rice, noodles, stir fries, etc. Hope you enjoy the tea in many ways. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Thank you, Best Sue. So adorable, and it's all handwritten. Isn't that really nice of her? So wonderful. She's very sweet. There's the card. So I will be sure to check that out with you guys, but if you have any questions about this, let me know and I'll be sure to make sure I answer it when we do review this. Next up, we have Flourish. I already cracked this so that we could easily get into it. So hopefully we won't have any more troubles with them. I was gifted this in exchange for a review, an honest review. So I am excited to actually review this. Flourish. Oh, wow. Nice. Look at that. It's a big tote bag. It's like a canvas tote bag. That's so pretty. All right, here is the stuff. Look at how pretty that packaging is. And I'm gonna do a full video on these. So this here, it's an ultra rejuvenating Camellia overnight facial treatment mask. So it's made with the tea plant. And this one here is a serum. I will completely tell you guys my thoughts about that, and we'll kind of go into it in a lot more detail in a video. Isn't this the cutest? So this I ordered myself, paid for it. It's Teapigs, but I love their boxes. Real tea in transit. It is so adorable. So I just sliced it open so that it would be easier for us. And that's what I ordered, 4 boxes of the cold brew, the rose and lychee. And I don't know why, I don't know what I was thinking. I should have ordered different flavors for us to try. But I know I love that so much, so yum! I wanted to show you guys this, but I'm not gonna open it. This was sent to me to check out and review for the channel. It is a tea subscription box and it's called myteabox.ca. I haven't opened it yet because I want us to really sit down and open it together when we have a little bit more time. So I'm gonna set that off to the side. Next up, DAVIDsTEA. So I placed an order, I don't think it was that long ago. Maybe Friday? I don't know. It felt like it was not very long ago that I placed this. All right, and there we go. Of course, DAVIDsTEA little sticker, and then all the lovely packaging to make sure it stays. And then what do we got? Oh my gosh, this is much bigger than I anticipated. Glow with Pride. So this is one of their teas. Well, one of their teas in here was made for their Pride. Why isn't this opening? Oh, it's magnetic. Look, watch this. Like, that's so fun. Look, it is so much bigger than I thought. Okay, like, that's my head. That's pretty big. Okay. So this gives us more than just the tie-dye butterfly was the one that we really wanted to try. And then it gives us Magic Potion, Just Peachy, Rainbow Lemonade, Sunny Sea, and Organic Goji Green. Uh-oh. But look at how adorable that is. I'm going to do a full review on that tea as well. I got this. So I will also chat more about that and their Pride edition and what my thoughts are on it. But that's it. It's super, super glossy. Glossy? Shiny. Like, look, it's shining into my face. Okay, so we're gonna do those. Oh, I got organic Jasmine black pearls as my free redemption. I hadn't tried these ones and they looked good. Oh, and there's my straw for my tumbler. Okay, and then I got these 2 boxes. And you know, the boxes are just brown now. That's how they roll. Let's see what we got. Show you first. It's really pretty. Okay. So this here is just, it's a mug, but they called it like rustic matcha cup pink is what they called it. But I really like the size and it's really cute. And it has like speckles. They're slightly, like, you can slightly feel them. It's adorable. So cute. So I got that because I've been wanting a matcha bowl, so here it is. Ooh, I almost threw that at the camera. All right. So there's the bottom of it. It says dishwasher and microwave safe, which is great. And then their sticker is on the inside, but I like the shape. Do you see that? It's pretty. So this is size-wise. I really like that. That's super nice. There you go. That's what I had to open. And like I said, some of these I'm going to do a more detailed review. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the comments. Until next time, take care. Bye.